Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you HookGPT review. So what actually is HookGPT? Create unlimited ChatGPT powered, fully monetized, profitable flipbooks in 60 seconds flat that generates thousands of clicks and leads without writing, coding, design or budget. Copy the same strategy that big corporates, online business authors have been using to driving millions of new buyers every single month. Creator of this software, HookGPT, Tom Yepshikov, and this software goes live on 18th of March, 11 am EST. Guys, right now I'm in the sales phase of this software, HookGPT. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales is as easy as 3 simple steps. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software HookGPT. I'm going to show you also quick demo, so don't skip this video before watching demo. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software that no one can share with you. I'm going to show you the pricing and OTOs of this software. I'm going to show you everything. Guys, do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. Here is, you can see healthywealthy24.com. This is my website, this is my blog. I wrote the full review about this software HookGPT here on my blog. Actually, there is a lots of information I put, like what is HookGPT all about. HookGPT software works 3 simple steps. HookGPT software complete product overview, and I also put the official demo. Okay guys, this is the creator, Tom Yepshikov, and the details about this creator. You can read all the information before purchase this software, guys. I highly recommend. And here is, you can see HookGPT features, what you will get basically inside the members area of this software, and what HookGPT can do for you. HookGPT pricing, OTOs, discount coupons is here, and the price only the front end offers $17. Also this software have 5 OTOs. The OTO numbers, OTO number 1 I'm going to show guys. Here is, you can see the OTO number 1 is $37. OTO number 2 is ChatGPT edition, $47. Keep in mind this is the one-time payment software. Okay, and OTO number 3 traffic edition, $47. OTO number 4, one-click list builder edition, $47. Number 5, reseller edition, $297. Guys, the software is very high quality, that called is HookGPT, but price is very low because this is the launching period right now. The price goes up. Okay, here as you can see guys, HookGPT frequently asked questions. I hope you have lots of questions, and all questions answer is you can see here. Okay guys, and here is the HookGPT bonus package. If you purchase this software through via my link, I will give you $2,375 bonus, guys. This is my honestly speaking. Okay guys, so honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this software. If you purchase this software through via my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this. And this is the vendor bonus. Vendor will give you this 5th bonus, and I will give you my $2,375 bonus. When you click here, you can see all of my bonuses that I will give you totally free. That's value $2,375. Okay, and this software will provide 30 days money back guarantee, guys, so you have got nothing to lose basically. Guys, right now I'm going to show you quick demo how actually works this software. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly the same demo that I put here, that created by this software creator Tom Yepshikov. He explained well, that's why I share this demo. So let's see the demo.
Hey, welcome to the demo video of HookGPT. I'm super excited to have you here listening, watching. I'm going to try and make this as short as possible and as efficient as possible. So what we're looking at here is HookGPT. It's the software that, as promised, right, goes ahead, creates flipbooks, and as a result of that, of course, from multiple sources, I'm going to show everything here, and as a result of that, it goes ahead and gets you leads where you can mail those leads, collect those leads, and automate campaigns to these leads from this software, including offers to promote, including the flipbook creator. It's an all-in-one system right here in front of you. So, it's awesome. and it gets better. All right, let's get started. So first and foremost, we want to create a project and show you how it works. Project is very simple, right? We'll choose a project name. Let's call it Prince of Persia, right? I don't know why. We're going to create both an ebook and a flipbook. The reason I recommend always to create both is because you want to have both versions available always. Some people prefer ebooks. So, and we're going to create a simple ebook, right? We're not going to make this anything special for now. Redirect URL. This is the place where we want to send people and to make money, right? Any URL can be here. It's going to redirect them. Then we can add automation workflow, which is the emails that will be sent to the new leads, depending on the automation you set up in the automation section, which I'll show you later. And SMTP, which is to get leads to connect with your autoresponder. All right. Then after we have that set up, we can choose from 9 different ways to create awesome content for flipbooks. So multiple ways, right? You can create from videos, from URLs, from blog posts, RSS feeds, existing PDF, just from scratch even. But for the sake of this demo, and that's the most exciting thing that we added, using ChatGPT, the newest version. So let's call it, let's try and create ourselves a nice little flipbook, right? We're going to call it Prince, or this is basically what we wanted to ask the ChatGPT master there, right? So we're going to call him, or I'm sorry, we're going to ask him, can you tell me how to lose weight in, how to lose 5 in I don't know, 18 hours, something crazy, you know. Let's see what ChatGPT says, and then we can add it into the flipbook. And the answer was definitely not what I was looking for if I want to sell a product like that. All right, but it's still a good answer. So basically, ChatGPT says rapid weight loss puts a strain on your body. So we can, of course, if we want to go with that, we can spin that, of course, and play with it and really make it and really help people understand that it's not healthy to lose weight. But if you're looking to sell like a a weight loss offer, like an affiliate, right, this is not gonna do the job, right? So let's go ahead and try 18 days. And we have a much better answer now. We have great 5 bullet points, and 5 pounds in 18 days, portion control, hydrating, just great advice. Let's say we have a nice little quick lead magnet, right? So we can add the answer right here, and we can add and create as many as we want, and out of that generate our flipbook and ebook. So let's see, can you give me the 7 best tips for staying healthy. All right, we got 7 good tips. We're going to add them as well. And now let's assume we have a full blown flipbook. You can, of course, create as many as you want, and out of that, generate your flipbook. But let's say we have that. We're going to continue. Now we have the 2 pages. Now we can split that into as many pages as we want by simply creating more pages and moving the text around. Now, if we want to design our flipbook, we can go ahead and add media, basically meaning adding images into the flipbook. You can add different elements that we have built in, emojis, animal social media icons. You can go ahead and add hyperlinks. You can use templates to design it. So we have done for you 18 done for you templates. We'll pick this one, for example, and we can go ahead and add our logo and watermark and, make ourselves, make this just whatever we want. We can make it beautiful. This is a photo of me that I uploaded. It's on the top right, etc., etc. And we can really design something awesome. All right. For the sake of this demo, I'm not going to do it because I want to get into it and really make it beautiful, but it's going to take some time. Right. But, yeah, you play with that. You really create your flipbook. You click on submit and it's ready. What happens next is you go you go. What happens next is you go. I'm still waiting for it to go. Sorry, my internet is not the best today. And we have the flipbook generated called Prince of Persia. We got a full download link for the ebook and a download link for a locked ebook if you have locked it with an opt-in. Then we have the flipbook link and the locked flipbook link. Let's click on flipbook link, check it out. It's gonna load real quick, and people, and that's it. It's ready. Of course, it's not as pretty as it could be if I were to invest a little bit more time in it, but it's ready, right? And that's how simple it is to create a flipbook that's ready, that's monetized, that's fully branded, and everything you want. All right. Now let's reverse back into the software and check out a little bit more. So we can also create e-covers right here inside. So your flipbook or ebook, you want it to be presentable and pretty, so you can use our e-cover designer to create any e-cover you want from either templates, from scratch, as you wish. All right. Really, there are multiple ways you can play with that. Once again, if I'm going to take this once again, add sticker, I can design it really fully to myself as much as I want. All right. So once again, you go here, you design your logo, your e-cover, and you're good to go. You attach it into your flipbook. Next, all right, next we can go ahead and create our own templates. We already have one. We can create as many as we want as well. And these templates are going to be the templates of the design of the flipbook. Once again, you can create as many as you want. Of course, we have the option for automation, which I showed you right here on Creating Project. Automation simply means that it goes ahead and it sends people emails through a schedule sequence automatically after they join your list through HookGPT. Then we also have system settings where you can set up your autoresponder and SMTP, which is also autoresponder, just in a different way. And of course, you can send a direct email to all of these people at once, or depending on the list that you build for that. And that is it. You are good to go. From here, you have everything you need. I'm sorry, I forgot also the done for you offers and swipes. You get approval, guaranteed approval in all of these offers. All of these offers are high converting. Ours, of course. You can take the JV link, JVDoc link, swipes link, affiliate link, use it into HookGPT, create a flipbook around this, right? So for example, if you go ahead and you take vid reviews and you check out the page and whatever it's talking about, right, whatever it's selling, you can go ahead into ChatGPT and essentially ask him, tell me about that software, and we'll give you information. Or tell me about that niche, and we'll give you information. Then you create your flipbook, and everything starts automatically working. Traffic is coming. Leads are getting collected. Leads are getting emailed automatically. You're getting traffic, sales, and all with just a few clicks by creating the flipbook. And of course, I personally recommend that the more you invest into creating a flipbook, meaning creating a better flipbook, a more unique and fun to read and fun to engage with, then you will spend a little bit more time on creating it, but of course the result will be awesome. Okay, so yeah, that's how simple this is. You create a project. We have only a few steps in the project and everything is ready. Before you create a project, you can of course choose the offers, set up automation, create templates, and create your e-cover, whatever you want, and you're good to go. That's how simple HookGPT is. So I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching this. Hope I'll see you inside.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this software HookGPT. Right now I'm just going to show you what actually HookGPT and the pricing and OTOs and all other information that put the vendor on the sales page. Okay, and you know, with HookGPT you can explode your traffic, leads and sales by creating and publishing up to hundreds of unique clickbooks per minute on complete autopilot. Okay guys, and and HookGPT complete product overview here, and here is the details and all the pricing and OTOs options is here. Guys, I highly recommend before purchase this software you can check out all the information step by step. Right now I'm just going to jump the sales page and I'm just quickly overview the sales page information. Okay, limited time commercial license included, price goes back to monthly recurring soon, so this is the right time to purchase this software. And groundbreaking AI tech creates hundreds of engaging memorable flipbooks with auto lead generation plus fully monetized system. Easily monetize your flipbooks in multiple ways, from affiliate marketing, CP offers, e-com products, freelancing gigs, and many more. Okay, you can also sell your flipbooks on gumroad.com, payhive.com to generate more money, guys, at a time. Okay guys, and also you will be able to generate leads. Okay, just sell your flipbooks $2, $3, $2.99, and that will give you leads, and also you can sell your flipbooks and generate more money, guys. This is the actual way to establish a online business, so you can also follow this way. I'm just quickly scrolling the sales pages. Here is a lots of information for the vendor. Also you can read before purchase this software, guys. If you have any confusion, no confusion, they will provide step-by-step video tutorials inside the members area. Okay, and here is the vendor bonus. Vendor will give you this 1 2 3 4 5 bonuses. Okay guys, and HookGPT is perfect choice for newbies and affiliate marketers, bloggers, website owners, email marketers, social media marketers, product creators and info marketers, e-commerce store owners, local businesses, anyone who wants to make more money online. Okay guys, and here is, you can see the price only $17, the front-end offer, and they will provide 30 days. That means this is fully risk-free software, so you can invest it. Okay guys, you can try it out. They will provide 30-day money back guarantee. I recommend you can purchase this. Okay guys, and you can test it out with 30 days. Then you think the software is not suitable for you, you can refund your money. I hope guys you fully understand about this software HookGPT. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate leads and generate more money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.